So the recording stopped all of a sudden. Sorry about that. Oh my god. Holy moly, no, you're not taking my bodies. These are my baby bodies. Give me, ah! He took my baby body. Why did he take it? Kill him. Look at him. Katana. I'm gonna get closer. I can't kill my baby. Yeah. Yay, we're back. Okay. Ooh, I saw something. Ah. So cute. Come on. Let's go. Ugh. Why are you so slow? Okay, for now on, I'm just gonna pause. And then just... I just wanted to take a... Whoa. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Senpai, what? Senpai, what? Ah! Wait, I ran into the invisible wall. I ran into an invisible wall, people. No! Why would you have an invisible wall right there? That's weird. Really weird. Why would you have it there? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Let's go run some tracks. We'll just go into the football net and be a goalie. Woo! There's no one playing, so I don't need to be a goalie. I think I know who I want to be, actually. My character. Woo! She's so... Okay, come on. Come on. Move it, people. Move it, girl. Boop. 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 We're just gonna swim in our clothes. I'm gonna wear this for my swimsuit. There's our key. Wow. I stopped talking or I was too into swimming. Oh, there's people coming. There's people coming. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful because I could kill you in the... Ooh. Hey, come back, person. You haven't seen the rest of me yet. You haven't seen me yet. You haven't seen what I can do yet. You can't just run. Hey, how is she walking? How are you doing this? How are you? Oh my goodness. People can walk on water. Person, how? It's like she's from another planet. Yeah. Oh, how are they walking on water? And then she's just like, don't mind me, I'm just a little kitty. Meow, meow. She can crawl. She's so good at it. I wonder what's in here. What is in here? Oh, it's just another way you can come in. Oh, cool, dude, cool. No, goodbye. I will rub my feet in the sand. Alright, I'm gonna have to end it at 10 minutes. So I'm gonna have to end it at 10 minutes, okay? Alright, so we're gonna have 3 more minutes playtime. Oh, you like him. You like him, do you? You like that son of a biscuit. You like that son of a biscuit, don't you? Do you like that son of a biscuit? Oh, yes, you do. You like that son of a biscuit. Cool. He was stealing all your dead bodies, girl. Stealing our dead bodies. Ooh, karate. Karate girl. Look. What? You're sliding. Right. It's time to go home. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end it here. It isn't 10 minutes, like I said, but yeah. I will put up another video, I promise, of this. Oh, and by the way, this is my first video, if you didn't notice, but let's hope we get some views. Okay, so see you guys. Ciao! So, I forgot to pause it. Okay, so bye, ciao.